Welcome back everyone. Thank you for tuning in once again. And on today's video, I'm gonna be doing the differential flush on the 5.9. I already got everything I need to get going. So stay tuned and watch how I get this done. First thing I'm gonna do is take off all of these bolts, starting with this one. But before that, you gotta glove up before you do anything. Get the gloves going. You can see it's starting to leak already. No shavings, that's a good thing. I don't feel any shavings. This fluid has definitely not been changed in a while. But everything looks good. If you're gonna change your rear diff fluid, you're gonna need 75W synthetic gear lubricant with the additive on it. For the front, you're gonna need 80W90 gear oil. I'm putting 75-140 on both of them. I got the 75W140 gear oil with limited slip additive. Also got the gasket maker for differentials, and I got some brake cleaner. Let's go back in there and clean it up. So right now I'm just gonna scrape around the diff, make sure that there's no extra silicone on there or anything like that. It looks like this diff has already been through some stuff here. So I just got done putting the sealant, the silicone back on the diff cover. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is just add the gear oil in there. And what you wanna get is one of these little pumps. They're super cheap and affordable to get. I'm gonna fill it up till it starts leaking a little bit, and then that's it.
What's going on, crew? So the pump I bought wouldn't fit on the gear bag. Luckily with these pouches, I don't think you need a pump anymore. You just get these plastic ones that bend when as you squeeze them. But the rear diff takes 2.5 US pints in the back and 3.1 US pints in the front, and it specifies to fill 1/2 inch below the fill hole. I also recommend getting a new plug if your old one doesn't make a tight seal around the opening, because then it is prone to leaking, and you don't want to have that after all that hard work.
Thank y'all for watching, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on the next one.